The 2023 Telstra Best of Business Awards Queensland Promoting Sustainability Award winner is... some suspense. Pleasant State.
Hi, I'm Sian and this is Amy and we're the co-founders of Pleasant State. Wow, this award means so much to us. Now more than ever, we are feeling the impacts of climate change, which means sustainability needs to be at the forefront of everything we do, not just for brands like ours, but for all brands big and small. To be recognised as a sustainable leader in the state is a huge honour, and it's also a responsibility we don't take lightly.
Pleasant State is working towards a sparkling clean world that's free of single-use plastics and toxic cleaning chemicals. From day one, our mission has been to demonstrate that doing good is good for business by balancing people, planet and profit. And now, just 2 years since we began shipping our revolutionary products, being recognised with this award shows we're doing just that. The journey has been far from easy. As a female-founded bootstrap startup, the hurdles have been high and frequent. I'll take that loan, thank you very much. But in all honesty, the journey has been really worth it thanks to our community of over 20,000 customers, our really amazing small but mighty team who are here with us today, our partners' unwavering support, and obviously our suppliers.
It's thanks to the support of this community that we've been able to stop over 130,000 single-use plastic bottles from ever going to landfills, and we've been able to raise over $43,000 for our charity partners, including the amazing team at Take 3 for the Sea. We're also super proud to be Australia's very first B Corp cleaning brand and a member of the 1% for the planet. We're not slowing down anytime soon. We have huge plans to make waves, not ripples, when it comes to social and environmental impacts. And we're planning on using this momentum to keep growing, keep innovating, and keep working in the present state to create a pleasant state for people and planet.
A huge thank you to the Telstra Awards for amplifying our story. Congratulations to all the other finalists. You're doing really amazing and important work. And you can drop into the revolution by going to pleasantstate.com or following us on socials at Pleasant State. Well done on lasting the night, and thank you, everyone.